Top 5 low content book niches on Amazon. Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the best low content niches with low competition and high profits that are available on Amazon right now. We're not going to waste any time, so first off, we're going to jump right into our first niche, and that is addition and subtraction workbooks. So these have only 5,000 results, and that might seem a lot, but those are actually very few results compared to other niches that are available. And with under 5,000 results, you can see that the market is not that saturated, and this is the kind of thing that parents will buy regardless. So it's a back to school item, and especially since the summer vacation has passed, this niche is popping off. So just take a general look at the results that this niche has, and you can see there are bestsellers, and it's best if you sample from a bestseller. So taking a look at this bestseller, you can see in their product details their ISBN 10 number. You're just going to copy this number, and then you're going to put it on Helium 10, the Helium 10 Cerebro tool. And what that's going to give you, it's going to actually give you the search volume. So if people are still searching this keyword on Amazon, and it's going to provide you with all the keywords that you're going to add, also the search volume, so if the trend of this product is actually increasing or decreasing, and you also get a estimate of your competing product. So addition and subtraction workbooks, there are less than 1,000 competitors. You don't have to worry about that. And also there is a high CPR, so that is the number of units that need to be sold in over a week, so to gain profits. And you can also get a general estimate of what kind of trend this item is following and what kind of keywords are best attached to this item. And this will also help you estimate what kind of revenue this book is creating. So if you just take a look at the Amazon printing cost and royalty calculator, we're going to put in the details of this book. So let's take a look. This is a book that has 108 pages, so we're going to put that in 108. And now we're going to take a look at its price. So at around $5, we're going to put that in. And now we're going to calculate the royalties. So if the listing price is $5, the minimum list price is around $3.50. The printing will cost $2.15, and the estimated royalty on each book is $0.58 USD. And you're just going to calculate that. So if we have 0.5, I'm just going to do that over here. So if you have 0.85 USD and you're selling around, because it's back to school season, and this is a very usable item, so it's going to be used and then people are going to purchase new. So let's just say for a general estimate, it's going to be pretty easy to sell around 100 units per month, and then you're going to be making $85 in profit. So that is just a very low estimate that I'm giving you guys to start off with. And that's just passive income. Once you have this listing up, you don't have to do anything at all. You're just going to be chilling at home, and this money will show up to your bank account without any hassle or without any work at all. So this was our first niche. Now, you might be wondering, 0.85 is not a lot, but that's just a bestseller. So a bestseller is priced very low. That's why, it's killing its competitors. But if you actually take a look at the rest of these listings, some of them are $11. They vary in price, so they do range between about $4 to $12. That's like a good spot. So somewhere between $6 is going to be a optimum price for you to set. And the only work that you're actually going to do is just you're going to create something that is a attractive title page. So how you're going to do that is that you're going to use Canva to design this page. So you're going to design this page for absolutely free, and then you're just going to add some very easy addition and subtraction solutions and problems to the interior of your book. Now, moving on to our second niche. Our second niche is preschool math workbooks for toddlers ages 2 to 4. So this is a very specific niche, and that's why it's going to make you a lot of money. You know, concerned parents are trying to look for something that is very specific to their child, and this is a great niche for that. You can see that the books here are ranging between $6 to $8, $10, and they're not as cheap as the general workbooks for maths, and they have just under 3,000 results, so the competition is not that high. You don't have to worry about that. And just to show you guys how much this trend is increasing, we're going to copy the ASIN number. We're going to go in product details. We're going to copy this number, and then we're going to add it to our Cerebro tool, just to show you guys the trend that this has. This will also help you while making your listing, so you can add these keywords to your listing just to make it easier for your book to be found. Now you can see over here, if you scroll down, the search volume is increasing, everything is in green, and you have less than 10,000, less than 6,000 competitors, so that's a good sign. The only thing that is a bit concerning is the search volume trend over the past 30 days, but you can see that the preschool books for 4-year-olds have been increased by 95%. So that is just how you find another niche. You copy these keywords. So now moving on to our third niche, that we're just going to copy this keyword. You're going to paste it over here. And now you can see this is just another niche in itself, and it's the same books all over again. And because these books are targeted to kids that are between 2 to 4, these are not hard to make at all. If you just take a look inside of these books, you will see they are very easy. So you can see this is just a very quick and easy way to create a book. This is just a way to trace the letters, and then you're gonna have trace the numbers. It's gonna create a few blocks and columns, and that's gonna be it for the interior of your book. And it's the same with this kind of book. So if you want to take a look inside just to get a good idea of what you should be creating, it's just like this. It's a very simple addition or subtraction kind of equation, and you're just going to type a bunch of them into the interior, and then that is it. That's all the work you're going to be doing. Now, for our third niche, well, that is kind of different. We're moving away from toddlers at last. We're going to go with anime sketchbook for girls. Now, this has over 30,000 results. That's a bit scary, but hold on, it's a very easy niche to work on. So you can make it a bit more specific. Now, if you search for just a girl who loves anime sketchbook, and then you're gonna have a very specific, well-defined niche that has under 10,000 results, and it's a very well-selling niche. The competition in this niche is very low, and the profits are pretty high. Now, if you just take a look at this is just a sketchbook. So this is the front cover, and this is, the welcome page of the sketchbook, and that's it. The rest of the pages, 120 pages, so 3 pages you're gonna design, and everything else is a blank page. So that is how easy it is to create these sketchbooks, and these are probably one of the easiest ones in my list so far. So I would definitely recommend, if you're not even good at design, make a sketchbook and post it on Amazon. You're gonna make so much profit with just like the minimal amount of effort or creativity needed. So yeah, and if you want to calculate the royalties that you're gonna gain, so let's just say this is a 120 page. So you can make this as large as you want. The top selling ones are around 120 to 150 pages. So let's just say this is 150 pages. It is paperback, and the listing price is $6. Or maybe let's make it $7. And you can see you're going to be earning 1.55 USD for each book that you sell. And it's very easy to sell out sketchbooks. So you're going to be selling at least like 200 books per month. And that's going to be 200 extra dollars in your pocket, even more, probably around $300 to $400. And that is the most easiest niche I have found so far. Moving on to our fourth niche. Now, our fourth niche is trace and learn sight words. So this is also a very easy niche. You're just gonna type in just random words. You're gonna have an empty column to trace, and then you're gonna leave a few more columns for capitalization or small letters. And these are also targeted at children because children's books are the easiest to make. They require the lowest amount of effort and they're very easily made. So if you just take a look inside what this top selling book looks like. So it's just alphabet, trace the letters, then you're gonna make the first letter of the alphabet, and then you're gonna just leave these blank spaces. Obviously, you're not gonna be filling these out. You're just gonna write the alphabet A and leave 3 columns below it so people can write on their own, or the children can write on their own, and that's it. So this is also a very good niche. This book is only 56 pages and it's selling for $6. So if we were to calculate the royalties on it, it was exactly 86 pages and it's listed for $6. We're going to calculate that. And on this 86 page book, you're going to be making $1.45 for each book that you sell. So that is also a very, very good royalty, considering this is also a very low content book niche. And now we're going to take a look at our final niche. So what is it? Well, our final low content niche is unicorn coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8 funny coloring drawing. So this also has under 8,000 results. It has good amount of sales. You can see the bestseller over here has 15,000 reviews, so you can just even imagine the actual sales that it's making. And you can see these are also priced at around $6. And what you're gonna do to create a book like this is that you're just gonna take a few royalty-free images from Google and you're gonna paste them over here, and that's it. That's another good low content book idea. You can find images like this for free on Google, on Shutterstock, on a lot of royalty-free image sites, and just copy them and paste them over here. You can add maybe a few notes here and there, and that's it. This book is selling for $5 if it's a paperback, and it's selling for $15.95, so $16 if it's spiral bound, and it only has around 100 pages. So that is it for today. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.